so I'm going to show you a little hack that I kind of created about a week ago. These are small hive beetle traps that have mineral oil on the outer sides and apple cider vinegar in the center. And so generally after about a week, that apple cider vinegar has spoiled and it's not going to do its job. I had these traps in the hive, so 2 weeks ago, put them in, clean, fresh, and there was only 1 or 2 hive beetles on either side of these chambers. So I hate cleaning these out so much. So what I've done is I use a pipette and I can take out the spoiled apple cider vinegar, discard it, and then put in fresh apple cider vinegar. So those are the 2 traps that have been in 2 weeks, and now they do need to be cleaned out. And they did capture a lot more small hive beetles. These are 2 clean traps that I just set up last night. I'm about to put in, and these have been in for 1 week. So this is pretty much, we've got a little yellow jacket friend coming to visit us. Not really a friend, but whatever. So yep, just discard. Let's see, we've got to work quickly at this time of year, mid-August, with all these yellow jackets hanging out. So yeah, just take one here, fill it up. Usually I get that on one go, but there we go. Just clean that out and then take out everything that's in here and get rid of that. You probably, would not want to do this like right directly next to your hives. I'm about 15 feet away right now, but further away is always better. And put that in there. And now they're all fresh and refilled, and I didn't have to touch any mineral oil, which is my goal.